The cloister at Basel Cathedral, also known as the Basler Münster, is a remarkable architectural feature that has played a significant role in the history of the cathedral and the city of Basel, Switzerland. Construction of Basel Cathedral began in the late Romanesque period, around 1019, but the building underwent various expansions and renovations over the centuries, incorporating elements of Romanesque, Gothic, and Renaissance architectural styles. The cloister, however, was added during the late Gothic period in the 15th century, between 1467 and 1487. Traditionally, cloisters were spaces within monastic establishments where monks or nuns could withdraw from the world for prayer, meditation, and contemplation. The cloister at Basel Cathedral also serves as a burial place. Throughout history, the cloister has also served as a space for various community activities, gatherings, and events.